This recipe is mighty and simple to make and feeds a hungry family. I'm going to start off by putting my ground beef in. I like this recipe because everything is going to fit in this skillet. This is a 1 skillet meal. Onions, my green onions. Let me use my spoon. And celery. And you're just going to let this cook. Let the ground beef brown. And then we're going to drain it. I have drained the fat from my ground beef, and now I'm going to add the rice, my tomatoes, the chili powder, and I'm going to stir everything together on medium heat, and I'm going to add my salt and pepper. You want to cover and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. It's meaty, it's mighty, and it's simple. Enjoy!